If you're looking for an AI vocal remover that is worthwhile, then I recommend that you check out PopPop AI. This AI platform, I would say it's one of those really good AI solution platforms. They don't have a ton of different tools, but the tools that they offer are really good. And I've been playing around with this website for quite some time now, and I must say the AI vocal remover and the AI sound effects generator, which I'll be covering in a separate video, they're both worthwhile. Now, before I jump in and show you what the AI vocal remover is about and how it works, what this video is about really, I'm going to show you what are the other AI tools that they offer. So as you can see, I'm on the PopPop website here, and this website is a free online AI audio solution website which offers AI vocal remover, AI sound effects generator, a AI song cover, and a AI voice generator, and also a AI voice changer. So these are actually coming soon, but once you check out this website, play around with some of these samples, because I can tell you, you will be blown away by what they sound like. Now let's continue by me showing you how to use this vocal remover. So once you're here, guys, at the top here, or whichever section of the website that you're on, just simply hover over the AI vocal remover. You have quite a few options here, but you can simply click on the AI vocal remover and it will take you to this page here. Now to use it is pretty simple. You upload a file, you start the vocal removing process, and wait for the files to be generated so that you can download which one you want. It's pretty simple, and of course there are 4 top applications for vocal separator that you can utilize. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. They're using advanced AI technology. It's completely free to use. You don't have to sign up. It's just simply amazing and pretty straightforward, right? So you don't require any login or anything. You just simply head over to the website and you can use it straight away. On top of that, the best thing is the quality. It is very amazing. Now you can upload a file up to 400 megabytes. This works for both audio and video. So if you have a video that you want to remove the vocals from the, let's say, background music, you can do that just the same, right? Video can be up to 20 minutes, which is, I think, pretty decent, right? MP4 wave, you can do that. And of course, you can do MP3 and MKV and MOV files. So you get quiet. So I have an audio file on my computer here. As you can see, I'm going to simply drag that audio file here and let you hear what it sounds like. So how it works is basically going to give you about 3 files: the original, the vocal, and also the instrumental. All right, so now you have it, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply skip through this original music. It's a music that I got from a YouTube channel which is copyright free music online, so I will not play too much of that because I don't want to have any copyright claim, even though, you know, some of these websites say that it's copyright free. But for the purpose of this, guys, it's a tutorial, so I'm just gonna skip through it. Right, so I'm gonna play the original.
Cross me, it was good to know ya. When I throw up, make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there.
So you hear a sample of what the song sound like. No, let's hear the vocal.
Tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I always felt like I'm alone. I keep working to the point I throw up. I can't stop. No, instead I hang. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there.
So you get the idea. Now let's hear the instrumental. So guys, there you have a quick sample of the original, basically original song with instrumental and lyrics. Then you hear the vocal that it was pretty nice, pretty clean, and you hear the instrumental that it's pretty decent. So guys, if you're looking for, let's say, a decent AI vocal remover and isolator, then check out this free AI tool from PopPop. You can use it absolutely free and I think that it's worthwhile. So how do you go about downloading it? As you can see here towards the right hand side of each file, you have a download button, or you can simply click on save all. It will download all of them, put them in a zip file, and as you can see the zip file here, I'm going to click on that, and let me move this folder here so that you can see what is inside those folders. So as you can see here, you get the original file, you get the instrumental, and you have the vocal. So for whatever purpose you want to use something like this, you might find that this is a great option for you. So check out PopPop AI, and you can start utilizing the AI vocal remover. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.